Good morning one and all. Today I am going to teach a problem on bilinear transformation. The question is convert analog filter into digital filter whose transfer function h of s equal to s plus 0.1 divided by s plus 0.1 the whole square plus 9. The digital filter should have the resonant frequency omega is equal to pi by 4. Use bilinear transformation. First of all, we have to write the given data. That is, the given data, the transfer function is equal to s plus 0.1 divided by s plus 0.1 the whole square plus 9. And the map, we have to use bilinear transformation. So the mapping formula is h of z equal to h of s for s equal to 2 by t into 1 minus z power minus 1 divided by 1 plus z power minus 1. In the place of s you have to substitute this value to find h of z. So here the value of t, that is time period, is not given, but indirectly they have given the value of omega, that is omega equal to pi by 4. So we know the formula that omega is equal to 2 by t tan omega divided by 2. Here from this formula we can find the value of t, that is t is equal to 2 by omega into tan omega divided by 2. We know the value of this omega, that is 9. This value is 9, that is 3 square. Okay, so the value of omega is equal to 3. So the value of omega is, this omega is equal to 3. This omega value they have given in the question, that is pi by 4. So you will get t is equal to 2 by 3 tan pi by 8. So the time period is 0.276 second. Now you substitute this value in this equation h of z. So you will get h of z equal to 2 by 0.276 into 1 minus z power minus 1 divided by 1 plus z power minus 1 plus 0.1 divided by 2 by 0.276 into 1 minus z power 1 divided by 1 plus z power 1 plus 0.1 the whole square plus 9. Now you can evaluate, that is 2 by 0.276 is equal to 7.246. So you put that value. Next you can simplify this equation, that is h of z is equal to 7.246. Now here this in denominator you have 1 plus z power minus 1, that you can take in numerator. You can take to that value in numerator by taking LCM. So when you are taking LCM you will get this 1 plus z power minus 1 as main thing, that is will multiply here. So you will get 0.1 into 1 plus z power minus 1. Then here also you will multiply, here you will multiply as 1 plus z power minus 1 the whole square, and this denominator 1 plus z minus 1 and 1 plus z minus 1 will get cancelled. So you can write like this as 7.246 into 1 minus z power minus 1 plus 0.1 into 1 plus, that is you are taking LCM. In the numerator you are taking LCM. 1 plus z power minus 1. Okay, in the numerator you are taking LCM. And you will get like this, 1 plus z power minus 1. Okay, and in the denominator also 7.246 into 1 minus z power minus 1 plus 0.1 into 1 plus z power minus 1, and here also you take LCM. So you will get 9 into 1 plus z power minus 1. Okay, now you will get like this, 1 plus z power minus 1 the whole square. So this 1 plus z power minus 1 the minus 1 and this whole square will get cancelled. So in the next step we will multiply this one in the numerator. So you will get like this, 7.246 into 1 minus z power minus 1 plus 0.1 into 1 plus z power minus 1. In the numerator, when you are multiplying, you will get like this, 1 plus z power minus 1. And in the denominator, you can write it as 7.246 into 1 minus z power minus 1 plus 0.1 into 1 plus z power minus 1 the whole square plus 9 into 1 plus z power minus 1. Okay. Now you can simplify this equation. You can simplify by multiplying this value inside. When you are multiplying this value inside, it will be in the form of a plus b into a minus b, that can be written as a square minus b square. So you can write it as 7.246 into a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. So a square minus b square, that is 1 minus z power minus 2 plus, and here in this term when you are multiplying, you will get it as 1 plus z power a plus b the whole square, that is 1 plus z power minus 1 the whole square. So 0.1 into 1 plus z power minus 1 the whole square. Okay. Now we can write in the denominator as it is in the 7.246 into 1 minus z power minus 1 plus 0.1 into 1 plus z power minus 1 the whole square plus 9 into 1 plus z power minus 1. Okay. Now you can simplify. So this term in numerator you can write it as this, you can multiply inside. So 7.246 minus 7.246 into z power minus 2 plus this whole square. So you can expand it, 1 plus a square plus 2ab plus b square. So 2 into z power minus 1 plus z power minus 2. Okay. And in the denominator you can write this a plus b the whole square formula. You can make this as a plus b the whole square formula. So you will get it as 7.246 that is a square, that is this square a square into 1 minus z power minus 1 the whole square plus 2ab. You can multiply this value to these two times, you can multiply. So you will get 7.2 into 7.246 into 0.1. When you are multiplying these two terms, you will get 1, that is a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So you will get 1 minus z power minus 2. Okay. 1 minus z power minus 2 plus 9 into 1 plus z power. Here you will get 1 square, no? So here square. Okay. Here 1 square, I missed that square. So 9 into 1 plus z power minus 1 the whole square. Here 1 square only will get, I missed that square. Okay. Because when you are taking LCM, when you are multiplying this 1 plus z inverse to this 9 whole square to this 9, you will get 9 into 1 plus z power minus 1 the whole square. So I missed that whole square, so I have put now. Next you can simplify this equation. When you are simplifying, you will get, now you can multiply all the values inside. Okay, now this one you can multiply inside. So 7.246 minus 7.246 into z power minus 2 plus 0.1 plus 0.2 into z inverse plus 0.1 into z power minus 2. Now in the denominator you can write 7.246 square can be written as 52.5. Okay, so 52.5 into 1 minus z power minus 1 the whole square plus this 2 into 7.246 into 0.1 is 1.449 into 1 minus z power minus 2 the whole square plus 9 into this 1 plus z inverse the whole square is 1 plus that a plus b the whole square formula, that is 1 plus 2 into z inverse plus z power minus 2. Next in the numerator 7.246 plus 0.1 is 7.346. Similarly z power minus 2 term minus 7.246 into z power minus 2 plus 0.1 into z power minus 2 is 7.146 into z power minus 2 plus this z inverse term. So 0.2 into z power minus 1. Next you can expand this a minus b the whole square formula. So 1 minus 2 into z power minus 1 plus z power minus 2. Here also you can expand a minus b. You can multiply this 1.449 inside. So you will get 1.449 minus 1.449 into z power minus 2. Here you can multiply 9 inside. So you will get 9 plus 18 into z inverse plus 9 into z power minus 2. Next step you can multiply this 52.5 inside. So you will get 52.5 minus 105 into z power minus 1 plus 52.5 into z power minus 2. Next you can add the constant term z power minus 1 term and z power minus 2 term separately. So you will get in the denominator 62.959 minus 86.98 into z inverse plus 60.061 into z power minus 2. Next you can take 7.346 in the numerator and denominator as common. Okay, so you will get in the numerator 1 plus 0.027 into z power minus 1 minus 0.973 into z power minus 2. Similarly in the denominator you will get 8.571 minus 11.840 into z power minus 1 plus 8.176 into z power minus 2. So this 7.340 get cancelled in the numerator and denominator and you will get the answer as 1 plus 0.027 into z power minus 1 minus 0.973 into z power minus 2 divided by 8.571 minus 11.840 into z power minus 1 plus 8.176 into z power minus 2. That's all. Thank you.